All right. Hello. This is actually the first time I bought a pair of shoes or sneakers over the internet. First time. So I thought I'd do an unboxing video on that. So I bought the shoes from Kariyuma. I actually didn't know the brand until I was advertised to by Instagram. And now with all this ad technologies in the internet. The ad just followed me through my other social media, and they look good, the sneakers, and so I thought I'd order one. And it's born in Rio, as it says in the box, and raised worldwide. I like the packaging, and also when I ordered it, they gave me like constant communication. We've received your order is being shipped, your order is on the way, DHL, this shipped by DHL. They send an email and a text by phone that it's gonna be delivered today. So it was really good customer communication. All right, so what I bought was this. It's a red sneaker that's made of bamboo. At least it's what I saw in the web page where I ordered it. So let's see if it's what I got. So there's a tape there, so I'll just remove that. And I kind of like this thing. It's like it's sealed, so. Alright, so that's that. Okay. It's a 3M tape, interesting. And I also ordered an extra pair of insoles. Nice, looks good. Good packaging. Interesting. So there's that. And look at that. Some personalized things. I don't know if you can see that. There's a card with my name on it. Nice touch. Quite an interesting personalization. Nice stationery. Nary. Interesting. So it's made from sugarcane, the bottom, and it's bamboo knit on top, recycled laces, labels, and thread. Memory foam insole made with cork and mamona oil. Padded performance color. It's interesting. I mean, it's all nice, but I don't know how that fares with sustainability because of all the expensive printing to do this. Anyway, I'll suppose can live with that contradiction for a while. Alright, let's look at this. Sneakers themselves. Nice. Actually a nice color. You're right, it's quite vibrant. Interesting. It's very nicely packaged. It's a nice looking shoe. Very fine. A lot of details in the design. And the actual bamboo. Oh yeah, I can smell a bit of bamboo there. And nice little details, like very fine graphic design and product design. that like all the little details. It's pretty good. And then you got this thing that holds it, so it has that thing that holds the shape. I think that's a nice touch. Hmm. So you asked for a greener sneaker. We listened. After months and months of development by our innovative designers, we arrived at IBI, a high quality, low impact sneaker. It's made with our perfect fit bamboo knit, an ergonomic material made using the least amount of energy and water possible. We chose bamboo because it rapidly self-generates, i.e. grows back from the stalk, not pulled from the soil. That makes sense. So no trees are ever harmed. Wearing IBI is an incredibly light on your feet feeling. It's so comfy. We've decided to call it featherweight. You end up sort of gliding when you're in them. Most importantly, IBI EB is made with plants and natural premium materials, which means you can still look insanely good without compromising the environment. Oh, interesting. So just like plastics made from plants, I would think. When to wear EB: when you're ready to actually land that kickflip or throw them on right before you finally ask the boss for that race. Interesting. Basically, they perform like pros no matter where you wear them. Interesting. So let's see. Is that the extra? I think it's an X. How does that work? Oh, so I guess this is our extra pair of laces, and we take out the shape. Interesting. Even that kind of little details, like it's saying we're holding your place. It's like embossed. It's a pretty good details there. It's very, very neat. Very good detailing there. See, it's like you can see it's made of cork and some memory foam. Yeah, looks good. It says born in Rio. It says there at the back. Alright. And here's the other one with the extra pair of laces. And then I'll take it out. I suppose the real test is in the wearing, how it feels. I hope I got the size right. They have a good table when you order on the website, where I actually measured in centimeters the length of my foot. So I ordered an 8.5 US size. So let's see if that works. Alright, let's oh yeah, it's well. That's a pretty good fit. Yeah, it's a pretty good fit. Smart, fine looking shoes, sneaker. Da, da, da. Feels like my left foot is a bit bigger than my right foot. Interesting. All right. Hmm. Cool. Let me stand up. Ah, yeah, it feels good. Oh, it's good bounce. Yeah. It's pretty good. Pretty. Feels good actually. Yeah, it does feel very light. Hmm. All right. I'm gonna take it for a spin. Maybe later. It's raining. Take it for a spin. Maybe tomorrow. And I'm quite happy. Quite happy with how it turned out. Feels good. Feels good on the feet. It looks amazing. The redness and the way it's been kneaded. Yeah. Good job, Kariuma. Well done. Amazing.